Like people think like, okay, we can do a 6 months boot camp or few months of online course and we can just embrace ourselves with the web development and then can enter into this field, which in a way is true, but then, then you'll see bad developments in.
Do you think web development is getting saturated or no?
In a way it is. And to be really fit, like how we say about demand supply, right? Demand is there because now you compare like every product, every company wants almost every product to be digital. They want everything to be digital right away available for the consumers to consume, right? Be it like SMEs, like small and medium enterprise also want to have a digital existence, basically. So there is a lot of demand in this particular area. But if we compare the demand versus supply, the supply is definitely overshadowing the demand here. Like there are so many people who are getting into web development. And one of the major things which I would say is just the perception of low barrier to enter into this. Like people think like, okay, we can do a 6 months boot camp or few months of online course and we can just embrace ourselves with the web development and then can enter into this field, which in a way is true, but then, then you'll see bad developments in a way. You will see instances where because you can understand, you can learn about web development in those 6 months or few months of boot camp or different online courses that you do, but you cannot cater to a full-fledged engineering which is required to develop a solution around a problem statement that you might have in your company, right? So in order to cater to a particular problem where you have to design a solution, you just don't have to see, okay, मैं React use करके ये बना दूंगा and this बना दूंगा. No, you have to think about the solution like holistically. How backend will play a role in this? What are different hiccups that I can see, which I can see in terms of performance? How can I deal with it? So there are so many things. And I think that's what people don't really understand when they think about coming to this particular field and later on realize कि yeah, this is something that we have to scale up to. So saturation बिल्कुल हो रहा है क्योंकि competition बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. उतनी companies भी आ रही हैं, but again I think like it depends कि आपको कितना आता है, आप क्या सोच के आ रहे हो एंड इंडस्ट्री में रिक्वायरमेंट किस चीज की है.
ट्रू, क्योंकि बिल्ड करना डिफरेंट चीज होती है. आप वेबसाइट घर बैठे बैठे टेम्पलेट चेंज करके मर्ज स्टैक से यू कैन नेल इट, बट when it comes to scalability, there is still lack of knowledge. If a newly web developer is asked कि यार मुझे highly scalable website चाहिए which can take the peak of 100,000 users tomorrow for a let's say IPL game है, कुछ भी हो जाए उसके कारण अगर पीक आने वाली है, people struggle to imagine how will that happen. People struggle to think about the back end side of Kubernetes, Docker. ये सारी चीजें नहीं immediately सोच पाते. So that high level picture is very important, जो कम लोगों में skills होती हैं to think above and beyond just development. वो अगर आप में skills आ जाती हैं and you have the ability to scale, then you become high in demand even in this saturated market.
Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely true. And also like keeping yourself updated with the evolution which is happening in this technology, right? So अभी जैसे हम Next.js की हम बात कर रहे थे, it's been used so much now. It's like it's getting its peak, not in peak, but it is getting its like demand a lot. क्योंकि अब मैं एक ऐसा debatable बात बोल दूंगी, but React को Angular के close बनाने के लिए Next.js is into picture. And I'll say why. I know it's debatable, but basically Angular caters to internationalization, right? Routing, and then we can see okay, अभी ये दो ही लेके चलते हैं. Internationalization, routing, right? अगर आप अभी बात करेंगे, in React we use different libraries even for routing, but Next.js में ये सारी चीजें वो integrate कर रहे हैं with React. So sort of they are making it ready for enterprise level कि आपको कुछ और external library की जरूरत ही ना हो in Next.js. So yeah, I think you have to keep yourself updated to that as well, making sure कि आप edge cut कर रहे हैं and you are also right up there.